Hello. In this episode, we will demonstrate how to create and manage maintenance cards in the MoldMaker system. First, we log in to the system. In the tool register list, there is a column called Maintenance Cards, which shows the number of maintenance cards currently created for each tool. We click the maintenance card icon for a sample tool. We can now see a list of all maintenance cards previously created for this tool across different categories and dates. The list shows the authors, counter readings, dates, spare parts used, and checklists. Each maintenance card category is marked with a dedicated icon. Maintenance card categories can be created and managed in Settings, Maintenance Card Configuration. Here you can add a new category, assign it a color and an icon, and define where it should be visible in the system, in maintenance cards, work orders, or schedules. Please note that once a category has been used, it can no longer be modified. To add a new maintenance card, we click Add New Maintenance Card. By default, the system suggests a note-type maintenance card. Checklist-type cards will be discussed later. We select the maintenance card category, Repair. As mentioned earlier, you can also create your own custom categories and select them here. In the description field, we enter Mold Edge Regeneration Performed. Next, we select the spare parts used during the repair and upload photos taken during the process. In the top right corner, we can see the current tool status, the counter reading, and the current date, which will be recorded on the maintenance card. A maintenance card is an official document that records the life history of a given tool. For this reason, a note at the bottom indicates that maintenance cards are controlled documents, and deleting or editing them is subject to restrictions defined in Settings. Maintenance Card Configuration. At this point, it is important to explain two optional checkboxes. Create Work Order. When selected, saving this maintenance card will automatically create a new task in the Work Orders module for maintenance or toolroom staff. Send Notifications. Selected by default, this option sends notifications to designated recipients when the maintenance card is saved. The list of recipients is defined globally for all maintenance cards. We will show this shortly. We save the maintenance card by clicking Add. We can see that a new maintenance card with the category Repair has been added. The card includes the description, counter reading, status, author, and preview images. Edit and delete icons are also visible. As mentioned earlier, these options are available only for a limited time, according to the configuration settings. Notification recipients can be managed by clicking the Notifications button, just like other notifications in the system. Here, we select the users to be notified and define the notification type. Now, let's check the Work Orders module to see whether a new task has appeared for this tool. We can see a new task that is now waiting to be accepted for execution. Now, let's demonstrate how to add a checklist-type maintenance card. In this case, we must select a checklist name. From the drop-down list, we choose one of the predefined checklists, for example, Periodic Inspection for Medium Tools. After selecting it, a list of checklist questions appears. Checklist questions can be defined in Settings Arrow Maintenance Card Configuration by a user with administrator permissions. The technician performing the inspection answers the checklist questions. For demonstration purposes, we select the appropriate options. We can also add comments and upload a photo. When creating a maintenance card from the mobile application, photos can be taken directly using the device's camera. This time, we uncheck the Send Notifications option to show that notifications are not mandatory. We save the card and receive a confirmation. A new maintenance card named Periodic Inspection for Medium Tools has now been added. The system has recorded the counter reading, date, status, checklist responses, author, and images. In this example, we used a predefined checklist that can be reused multiple times. Any number of checklists can be created. We will cover this in a separate tutorial video titled Checklists. Above the list, we see functions that allow searching and filtering by user, category, and date range. Using the Tool Parameters button, we can quickly navigate to the parameters of the selected tool. We return to the Maintenance Cards view using the Maintenance Cards button. Next to it, we see the total number of maintenance cards created for this tool. Now, we return to the main tool register using the side menu. In the Maintenance Cards column, we can see the current number of maintenance cards for each tool. Maintenance cards can also be managed from the side menu under Maintenance Cards. Here, we see all maintenance cards in a global company-wide view. Various filters and search options are available to help quickly find the right maintenance card. This concludes our demonstration of manual maintenance card creation and management in the MoldMaker system. Maintenance cards can also be created automatically in other situations, such as during work with work orders or when approving maintenance schedules. We invite you to watch the related tutorial videos. Thank you, and we wish you a great experience using the MoldMaker system.